Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the target SSD has enough space and that you backed up irreplaceable files. Once the drive is physically installed and detected, launch reliable cloning software. This is the only way to preserve the OS, bootloader, and system partitions intact. Select the source drive, then the new SSD as destination. Make sure to enable sector by sector or OS migration mode if offered, and do not interrupt power during cloning. This preserves signatures and partition layout, so booting is seamless. Next, focus on partition table and alignment. GPT for UEFI systems is essential because boot entries depend on it. During cloning, enable 4K alignment and trim support to maintain SSD performance. If the target is larger, expand the system partition now. If smaller, shrink the source OS partition before cloning so it fits. Once settings are correct, start the clone and monitor progress. You need the clone to include the EFI or system-reserved partitions. Otherwise, the machine won't boot from the new SSD. After cloning completes, reboot and enter UEFI or BIOS to set the new SSD as the primary boot device. Move its entry to the top of the boot order. Once done, disable Legacy Boot if you used UEFI and re-enable Secure Boot if required. Boot into Windows or your OS to confirm everything loads. If the system won't boot, use recovery media to repair the bootloader. Run automatic repair or rebuild EFI entries. This is the key troubleshooting tip if the drive is cloned but not recognized as bootable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.